Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? Jasmine is here with months of the year in English and Urdu. In this video, I will teach you how to pronounce the months of the year in English especially. I am sure that it should help you to improve your pronunciation and vocabulary. Now let's we start. Number 1. January, January, January. Number 2. February, February, February. 3. March, March, March. April, April, April. May, May, May. June, June, June. July, July, July. August, August, August. September, September, September. October, October, October. November, November, November. December, December, December.